Drink hot water with turmeric every morning, and this is what will happen to your body. First, you will reduce all inflammation in your body. Curcumin is a strong anti-inflammatory capable of relieving all types of inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis. You will also strengthen your immune system, preventing all kinds of infections and viral diseases. This drink will also help control blood sugar, being very beneficial in preventing diabetes. And as if that were not enough, it will also help losing weight as it helps reducing leptin, a hormone that regulates appetite and fat storage in the body. How to prepare it? Place a small spoonful of turmeric in a cup and add hot water. Then add the juice of half a lemon, and most importantly, you must add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin by 2,000%, activating all its properties. How to drink it? Drink a hot cup of this beverage every morning on an empty stomach for at least 7 days to be able to feel its anti-inflammatory power and other benefits. If you like this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments.